Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can easily hide the members of your group in Telegram. Please, friends, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put likes under the video, as well as write comments after viewing. Friends, let's get started. First of all, please open the Telegram app on your device. Next, find your group. Go to it. And then you need to tap on the group name at the top. Now on the right-hand side at the top, tap Edit. And here you will need to select the Members option. Please click on it. And you will be able to see a list of all the members of your group. In order to hide this list, you will just have to click on this option here, Hide Members. But first of all, you can hide the number of members only if there are more than 100 people in the group. So I'm trying to activate this option right now, but they tell me that it's not enough because you need to have about 100 people in this group. That's first of all. And secondly, if you have a group that has a lot of people in it and you've hidden the members, what you mean by that is that you can always see who the administrator is. That is, it is impossible to hide the administrator. Friends, with this simple and quick method, you can easily hide participants in a group in Telegram. I really hope that this video was useful and that it helped you. Please don't forget to write comments, put your likes under the video, and subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.